your Indian consumer. Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vidpatik, your Indian consumer, and in this video we'll be talking about all those mobile phones which I've used over the years. The phones which have been my daily drivers, जिनको मैंने बहुत टाइम तक यूज किया है. Not those phones which come to review and I use them for 2-3 days or a week or a month. Not those kind of phones. Those phones which I've been using since I was a kid till date. So the first mobile phone that I purchased was after my 10th standard exams. Yes, 10th standard के exam के बाद यार डैड को बोला कि फोन लेके दो, अभी तो टाइम हो गया है. तो yeah, that was the time. So my first mobile was, like many of us, it was a Nokia device. It was the 2300. If you don't know about this device came in two colors. One was very girly and the other was kind of manly. Kind of. That is what I took. The buttons were of the butterfly shape and it had the game Snakes. And the special thing about this mobile phone was it came with a FM radio. I wanted to listen to music every time I go to college. चल के ही जाते थे वो टाइम पे, तो ऑटो रिक्शा विक्शा के लिए पैसे नहीं रहते थे. सो या दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट मोबाइल फोन. इट वाज अ Nokia 2300. आफ्टर दैट आई स्विच्ड ऑन टू अ कलर्ड स्क्रीन, क्योंकि कलर्ड स्क्रीन का बाद में फैशन आ गया था. 2300 इज नॉट अ कलर्ड स्क्रीन टाइप. सो आई मूव्ड ऑन टू अ Motorola device which was a C168. Again it had FM radio in it and some fancy games, nothing much. It even had an option of GPRS, but I never used GPRS. So what I liked about that mobile phone was it had a color screen, it gave me FM radio, it used to look fancy, so it was obviously better looking than the 2300, but definitely not as sturdy as the Nokia 2300. 2300 अगर किसी को फेंक के मारो ना, खोप पड़े यार डोक्यात. So yeah, that kind of phones. So what happened was this Motorola device started giving problems and so I had to switch on to other mobile. डैड को बोला यार पप्पा काहीतरी पैसे द्या, बट यार ज़्यादा पैसे मिले नहीं, इसीलिए I switched on to 1100. तो आफ्टर दैट आई यूज 1100 और 1100 में टॉर्च आती थी. सो या दैट वाज अ फैंसी थिंग, पता नहीं मस्ती करते थे. 1100 के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूँ, इट इज़ अ लेजेंड. आई डोंट हैव टू से मच अबाउट इट. द नेक्स्ट फोन आफ्टर 1100 वाज अ ह्यूज लीप. मतलब एकदम फर्स्ट फ्लोर से 10th फ्लोर पे चला गया मैं. इट वाज Sony Ericsson phone CyberShot series K790i. So the K790i was for 15,000 rupees at that time. It had a rear facing camera of 3.2 megapixels, but it had this xenon flash जो कि बहुत अच्छे pictures लेता था. And some of the pictures you can see right now here on the screen, these are the pictures which I have took using that cell phone. So yeah, it was a great device. I used to love it. मैंने अपने खुद के पैसों से खरीदा था. So that was practically the first thing that I gifted myself with my own earned money. If you want to know how I earned money when I was 19, you can check out this video which just popped out here. Yeah, that is the question and answers video. You will get to know more about me there. So well, let's move on to the next device. So what happened with the K790i was, मैं गिराता था phones. So I used to drop the phones continuously, and because of that I thought of buying a sturdy phone. The next time I purchased a phone, I thought of buying a very sturdy phone. So I went with the Samsung Marine. If you know about the Samsung Marine, it was a hell of a device. It was a waterproof device. It was simply amazing. I feel I still have that device with me. Here it is. I still have that device with me. And it had this locking system जो कि coin से खोलना था. The battery is not charged, but I'm sure that this is still in a functional state. So my reason of switching from this device to another device was it had just worn out. Just look at it. I was bored using this device. मतलब ये मरता ही नहीं है. This device is like it can go on and on and on and on for days, and you just don't have to change a device. But I got bored eventually. Yeah, teenage. So I moved on to a better device. So the next device that I bought after that was a complete touchscreen. My first touchscreen mobile phone. It was the HTC Explorer, also known as HTC Pico. So that was my next device. I got it for around 7,000 rupees. Again, it was a phenomenal device with a great design, nice hardware, smooth touch, and it had HTC Sense in it. So along with the 600 MHz Snapdragon processor, you even used to get HTC Sense. So it was a great thing. But what happened was I moved on to the next device. I gave that device to my dad, and my dad misplaced it. I love that device. Okay, so the next device I moved on to was the Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2. I still have it here. So this is how it looked. ये blue color, I just love this blue color with the texturized finish, and this was my primary audio recording device as well. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है कि I use this as my primary audio recording device. Again, a phenomenal device. It has a really nice camera to take still pictures. The flash is again amazing. So I practically used to love this device. But Samsung TouchWiz lag होने लगता है. Everyone knows that, right? Had to move to something better. So after the Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2, as many of you know, I switched on to the Moto G3. Yeah, that is what I'm using right now as well. But in between these two mobile phones, I used many mobile phones because that was the time when I started reviewing products. तो काफ़ी mobile phones आते थे. So I used to use them for weeks, but there is one device that you have to stick with जिसमें continuously आपके contacts हो, सारी चीज़ें हो, and for that purpose I only prefer stock Android mobile phones. And talking about stock Android mobile phones and knowing my character that I like sasta, mazboot and tikau things, so this device satisfies everything. I'm using it right now as well, and the next video that I make will be what's on my mobile phone, and I'll be showing you what is on my this phone. I just moved it twice and the torch is on, and I just do this and it turns off. So all these things are really handy. This device right now is available for around some 10,000 rupees, and it is a steal, guys. और इसका जो अगला वर्जन आया, that is the Moto G Turbo. Brilliant device. मतलब Motorola is just making such phenomenal devices, providing nice support and service. So why will I go for something else, right? I don't want a fingerprint scanner and everything. I don't like all that. This solves the purpose, and that is why I'm using this. So well, those were all the devices which I've used over the years. And as I've told you, I've used many devices. I've used the iPhone 6. I've used the Samsung S6 Edge. I've used many devices, but I stuck to this mobile phone because of obvious reasons. So well, that was all about the mobile phones that I've used over the years. As I've told you, my next video will be what's on my mobile phone, what's on your Indian consumer's mobile phone. If you've liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you've not liked it, don't be shy to dislike it. Like always, don't forget to surf before you swipe, and if you don't need, you don't buy. Keep that in mind, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. खूप पडेल यार डोक्यात. After Motorola, so the camera just started because I was doing this. Waterfall के नीचे मैंने वीडियो बनाया था. I just do this, and I just do this, and it turns off. ऐसा वसूल है यार.